This is my new ICOM 718. Listening to a station. Listening to a station in Italy. I2VRN. Says Roberto. He's on 40 meters quite a bit. Good guy. Really good operator. And, giving a demonstration of how far you can talk on ham radio. I've talked to him several times. I'm not going to call him tonight. All I have is a simple wire in the air. So this is just my demonstration of how far you can talk on it. This is on 40 meters, 7.172 megahertz lower sideband. Can't hear the other station because the band is long and we're too close. So he's kind of got his antenna pointed at me. That's how I'm receiving him so well. Reason it's anyway, just a demonstration of high-frequency communications. Get on the bands. There's several people to talk to. It's pretty much the effect of making an international phone call, and all you got to do is pay for the equipment to do it. No phone bills. I tell you what, it even beats Vonage. 73 W6CSA.